Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, it's me, Dimitry Athis, your friend. C'est moi-même encore, Dimitry Athis, Isamil. And today, we're going to learn the days of the week. Right before we get started, remember to always wash your hands for at least 20 seconds with soap and water. In case you don't have soap and water, you can always use hand sanitizer. However, this does not kill all the bacteria. So be careful not to touch your nose, your mouth, or your eyes. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so we have lundi, lundi, lundi. Mardi, mardi, mardi. Mercredi, mercredi, mercredi. Jeudi, jeudi, jeudi. Vendredi, vendredi, vendredi. Samedi, samedi, samedi. Dimanche, dimanche, dimanche. Great guys. So now let's go ahead and see some examples.
N'apwè lundi matin. N'apwè lundi matin. Again, n'apwè lundi matin. See you on Monday morning. M'après-Léo jeudi soir. M'après-Léo jeudi soir. M'après-Léo jeudi soir. I will call you on Thursday in the evening. Okay? M'avvinwèw mardi après-midi. M'avvinwèw mardi après-midi. M'avvinwèw mardi après-midi. I will come see you on Tuesday in the afternoon. N'apwè nan WIKENN. N'apwè nan WIKENN. N'apwè nan WIKENN. See you this weekend. And finally we have bon weekend. Bon weekend. Bon weekend. Have a good weekend.